Have you ever bought a game on Steam only to realize it wasn't what you expected? Maybe it didn't run well on your system, or it just wasn't your cup of tea. The good news is Steam offers a refund policy, but you need to know the right steps to make it happen smoothly. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a refund on Steam in just a few simple steps. First, open the Steam app on your computer. If you're not already logged in, click on Login at the top of the screen and enter your account name and password. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the Steam homepage. From here, navigate to the Help option in the menu. It might not be immediately obvious, but it's the key to accessing Steam support. Clicking Help will take you to a page with several options. Choose Steam support, then click on Purchases. This section shows all of your recent transactions, so you can find the game or item you want to refund. Scroll through your purchases until you locate the game, then click on it. You'll see several options appear, and the one you're looking for is I'd like to request a refund. Next, Steam will ask you to select a reason for your refund request. Be honest and choose the reason that best fits your situation. There's also a notes section where you can add extra details, if needed, which can help speed up the review process. Once you've filled everything out, click Submit Request. It's important to remember Steam's standard refund policy. Requests are usually accepted if made within 14 days of purchase and if the game has been played for less than 2 hours. That said, every request is reviewed individually, so it's always worth submitting one, even if your situation is slightly outside these guidelines. After submitting, keep an eye on your email for a confirmation from Steam and check your account for updates on your refund. And that's it. You've successfully submitted a refund request and can get your money back without any hassle. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on managing your digital games and storefronts. Thanks for watching, happy gaming, and see you next time.